Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of pineapple pudding. This is my Amma's recipe and we all just love this. Without further ado, let's get started. I have taken this small pineapple. This weighs around 700 grams. Peel the skin of the pineapple and chop it finely. After chopping the pineapple, this weighed around 375 grams. We need 100 grams of powdered cashew nuts. Here I have taken 6 grams of china grass or agar agar. Clean the china grass and soak it in water for 15 minutes. Heat a pan and add in the chopped pineapples. These are the fresh juice from the pineapple, so the pineapple gets cooked from its own juice. First I am going to slightly cook the pineapple. Salt the pineapples and cover it and cook well. You could see more juice coming out of the pineapple. All the juices are drained and now it's time to add the sugar. Add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. Well, the quantity of sugar depends on the sweetness of the pineapple. So you can adjust the quantity of sugar accordingly. Actually, sugar should be added after cooking the pineapple. Cook the pineapple until the sugar syrup gets drained. The pineapple is cooked well and now add in 50 grams of cashewnut powder. After adding the cashewnut powder, switch off the flame. The pineapple mix is ready now. In a saucepan, take half a liter of milk. Add in 400 grams of condensed milk. Now add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. Stir it with a spatula so that everything combines well. Now add in the soaked china grass into the pudding mix. We have to cook well until the china grass melts. Vegetarians can also try this pudding since I have used china grass. The china grass has melted and now switch off the flame. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of pineapple essence. In goes few drops of yellow food color. Mix it so that everything combines well. Cool this pudding mix for 1 to 2 minutes. The pudding mix and the pineapple is ready now. I'm going to set this pudding in this square-shaped glass dish. Line the base of the dish with the pineapple. Reserve some for garnishing. Now sprinkle in some cashewnut powder. Now strain the pudding mix and add into the setting bowl. I'm just breaking the bubbles as much as possible. Since we have used china grass, this will set at room temperature itself. Cool the pudding mix for 15 minutes and garnish it with the pineapple mix. I'm just giving small design using this cashewnut powder. Set this pudding in refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours before serving. The pudding has perfectly set and this is super delicious. If you like pineapple flavor, you will definitely enjoy this pudding. This is my family's favorite pudding. Look at it friends, how beautifully the pudding has set. Do try this pineapple pudding and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.